Hello, in front of me I have Fossil Q Wonder and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this device. Before we start, if you want to install applications on your watch needs to be connected to the Wi-Fi network, and also you need to have the Google account copied from your phone to your watch to use the App Store. I'm gonna show you how to check those things. Okay, so first let's wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the side button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel and then tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down, find the option called connectivity and tap on it. Then select Wi-Fi. And here we have the list of Wi-Fi networks that we are connected to. As you can see, I have the network and it says connected. That means my watch is connected to the Wi-Fi network. If you don't have any network that you're connected to, you can tap on Add Network, find the network you want to connect to, tap on it, enter the password and connect to the network. Okay, once you're connected to the Wi-Fi network, let's check for the Google account. So let's tap on personalization right here in the settings. So let's scroll down, tap on personalization, scroll down and find the option called accounts, tap on it. As you can see, here we have the Google account. I have one. If you don't have one, you can tap on Add Google Account. It's gonna redirect you to your phone basically, and then there you can add your account via the Wear OS application. Okay. Once you have the network Wi-Fi connection and the account on your watch, go back to the home screen, press the side button to open the app menu. Now scroll down, find the Play Store icon and tap on it to open the App Store. And here we have the Play Store. We can tap on the search button to look for the app directly, or we can browse through the categories right here. If you scroll down, you have categories like featured apps, watch faces, track your workout and stuff like that. I'm gonna tap on the category, for example, featured apps. And here we have the list of apps we can install on our watch. Find the one you like, tap on it to open the info page. For some reason we lost the connection for a second there, but we're back. And here we have the info page of the app. And we can, as you can see, we have this big install button, but we can also scroll down, see the description of the app, screenshots from the app, and also the reviews. Okay. Now let's tap on the install button to install the app. And once the app is done installing, you will see this big open button and you can tap on it to open the app from here, or you can simply open the menu, the app menu, scroll down, find the app on the list and then tap on it to open it. For some reason the app, oh no, it works. Here we have it. We need to log in. Basically, to use this app, we need to also download it on our phone and log in on our phone to use it. Okay. And that's how you install the applications on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.